Picture a great product meeting. You've got product managers, engineers, and designers in a room. Sticky notes are flying, ideas are clicking, and the energy is electric. Everyone packs up their laptops, feeling totally in sync. The strategy makes perfect sense. But then comes the translation gap. The meeting ends, and those team members scatter back to their individual desks, opening up entirely different, highly specialized software. Now they have to rely on their own memories of that brainstorm to manually build out tangible artifacts. The product manager starts typing up a requirements document, while the engineer begins sketching an entity relationship diagram in isolation. Without a shared space to anchor those ideas, individual interpretations drift. That perfect alignment you felt in the room quietly falls apart the moment everyone starts working alone. You might think AI is the quick fix here. But throwing a standard text-based AI chatbot at the problem actually makes this gap wider. Those tools live in isolated text boxes. When you feed them a prompt, you strip away the spatial relationships, the visual hierarchy, and the messy human context of the original brainstorm. Fast forward 2 weeks. The engineer proudly presents their system architecture, the product manager pulls up their user stories, and they realize they have built two completely contradictory models. When an AI can't see the shared visual context, it doesn't solve the alignment problem. It simply helps your team generate misaligned work a lot faster. The Miro Innovation Workspace shifts the input from the chat box to the board itself. Because the canvas houses every artifact your team created together, the board serves as the primary prompt for the AI. Visual context processing analyzes your brainstorm's spatial relationships, mapping your layout's hierarchy. With one click, it synthesizes chaotic research into a clean product brief. Then, on the same canvas, that brief instantly unfolds into a fully editable system architecture diagram. Generating complex structures directly over the original brainstorm ensures the final technical output inherits the initial strategic intent. Nothing gets lost in translation. And because everyone is still in the same workspace, the cross-functional team can jump in and adjust that generated diagram together in real time. The product manager can look at the engineer's architecture and generate user stories linked directly to specific nodes on the flowchart. While they work, an embedded agent called the AI Sidekick acts like another teammate, proactively flagging technical gaps and suggesting missing requirements as the diagram evolves. To take this a step further, you can string these multi-step actions together using Miro flows. You can build a sequence that automatically moves from raw research into a summary document, creates a visual mood board, and a clickable prototype. By automating this visual pipeline, what used to be weeks of staggered handoffs collapses into a single synchronized motion. Look at the difference. Instead of spending weeks trying to align competing interpretations of a project, the team has moved from raw concept to structured visual clarity in a matter of hours. Since large organizations need rigorous protection, this accelerated workflow operates under enterprise guard protocols, featuring automated data discovery to protect sensitive information. Clear AI-generated visuals replace ambiguous text documents, becoming the universal language for the entire team. This approach removes the blank canvas paralysis that often slows down technical engineers and non-technical stakeholders. This continuous AI-powered shared reality allows the entire team to build the future together.